topic. First, I want to give my resume. My name is Subi. My father's name was Mr. Abdul Rahman, and my mother name is Mrs. Chandwanu. I am the student of 11th standard. And today's topic is love marriage and arranged marriage. And if we talk about marriage, nowadays everyone want a love marriage because nowadays generation want a good life partner. That's why I think love marriage and arranged marriage both. If we do want to marry, in what situation we can do marriage? And I think someone who want to love marriage. In love marriage, no one happy for you because your family don't support you for love marriage. They thought that if someone who do love marriage, in this case, if something wrong with his and her, at that time no one understand their problem. It means family members. They thought if a man and any other person who do any work without their parents' permission, and I think it's always wrong. So every parents want that their children do marriage with their agreement. So love marriage is good marriage. When we fall in love, at that time we thought about love marriage because we thought if we do love marriage and we can find a good life partner who understand my family's problems, also me very well, and we also know about his occupation, his many things, what's going on in our family and many things. So, and we know each other very well before marriage, and when that person come at our home, we know about this very well, this behavior and everything, and we don't find anything new. If we marry that person whom we know very well. In arranged marriage is such that if we want to marriage, at that time our families also agree with us because everyone want that if their daughter and their sons if they want to do marriage, they marry with my agreement. So, and in both marriage we demand a lot of things, but some love marriage is such that we don't demand a lot of things because if someone is poor, at that time there's family members not thought that, but the man whom we marry, he always thought about our situation because he understand what's going on in my family and what situation is my family. He know very well everything. So I think he disposed the dowry. But in arranged marriage, if someone is poor and they have no amount for a dowry, so they don't understand their problem. They demand a lot of dowry and they don't care in what way you arrange these things, what you include in dowry. They don't have care. They want only things. And I think dowry system is traditionally system, and nowadays it is decreased, not a lot of dowry, because nowadays people have a understandable who know about everything very well. Some educated person who has a lot of things for spending, they don't demand a lot of dowry, and they demands only a good housewife. She knows his family very well, and she takes off care his family very well, and she carry on everything in a good way. Everyone wants such a type of girl, but all are not alike. Some people also such that who wants a lot of dowry and expect they have a lot of things, they have a good job and many good things, still they demands a lot of dowry because I think they are greedy about things. That's why. And I think if a girl are capable. She has a good occupation for doing a thing. At that time, we can't demand a lot of dowry because we thought if she is capable, then she earn a lot of money for my family, and she can do any job and many things. But some cases also such that if someone want to do love marriage, at that time many cases happened that the girls killed by their families, laws houses. When they enter their lost houses, at that time they don't know about their natures. There are many things they entered, and their husband and their lost family tortured a lot about things. If they demand a lot of things like such things, their parent and house don't manage these things, so they killed their daughter, and they tortured a lot about many things. If you don't ask these things, can I can kill you, and I'll do anything with you. So girls are tortured by many things after marriage. And also some marriage is happy marriage, because some people are also good. And I thought about many things. And in love marriage, a girl who have a lot of respect about family, but some girls are not such that, because some are such that they thought that if they don't cover their face before their lost parents, she thought that if I covered my face, and what the use of it. And but in our society, everyone used to say that if a girl don't cover her face, and they thought that she don't respect everyone. They have a such thing. But I think if we covered our face, I think we lost our identity. And so that's all.